Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. 2-foot slaloms are a great move for continuing our momentum and learning how to generate power. But first of all, they are a conundrum of coordination. So let's start with our basic directional points. We're going to start moving forwards, arms and shoulders stretched out side to side, and we're going to turn our feet to face in unison one direction. I happen to have turned mine to face my right hand. I'm going to bend my knees. Then I'm going to rise up on my knees and rotate at that middle section. I'm going to twist, my favorite word. I'm going to get that twist going on. Rise and twist at the same time to make my feet face the opposite hand. Now I have to get back down in my knees again. Down I go. Then I'm going to rise up and rotate and twist again to face the opposite hand. So it's down, up and twist, back down again. Down, up and twist, back down. Up and twist, back down, up and twist. That's our slow motion version with not a lot of power in our legs. Just getting our directions mapped out nice and clear. Because remember, we're doing 3-dimensional mapping here. You're not just looking at where are my feet facing and so on. You're also dealing with this up and down dimension, and gradually you'll also be dealing with the where am I leaning, where am I applying push. So there's an awful lot of information yet to add to these slaloms, but this is your first stage, making sure that we got those patterns really clear, starting down, up, rotate the feet around, down, up, rotate around. By twisting in your middle, you can help to bring those feet round a little curve to keep yourself going.
Our first goal is to develop very clear and symmetrical curves in our slaloms, because regardless of power and speed, an even rhythm will set a good foundation. Once you feel settled in your basic directional movements, you can begin to focus on strengthening the rise and lower of the knee action.